It's your boy, Tommy. I almost forgot my name, but okay. And yeah, we're back at Roblox. Be soon. So yeah, I'm charging right now, but okay. So my friend in the Philippines, Filipino pa ako. Meron ako. So I am in the that I almost forgot. I am in the I'm almost completely. I'm not talking the spider because he's noob. Yeet. I'm almost gonna die. Gonna die. Okay. So let's go. Ooh, royal jelly. Boogaboy, boogaboy, boogaboy. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel for another Roblox video. Yeah. So I'm doing it really boring. Oh my goodness. Let's go to the upper. Oh, see the royal jelly. But I cannot reach it. Let's go. Oh, another royal jelly I wanted. And yeah. Choose cheats. Yeah, yay. Okay, what's with the bow? Wait, what? Make a drug. Can we just... I like this parachute. A parachute you can use to glide down. Ooh! 500? You serious? I'm gonna buy this. The Mega. This good. Oh. Yeah. I'm going. Oh man. Please. Oh, kidding me. I just wanted to grind. Yank, 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 yank. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot, oh, shoot, oh, shoot. Yay! Level 4. Oh, what's that? Another one. You're kidding me. I'm gonna. We have a deal. Oh, another quest. Science. What's great about science? Science gives you technology. Technology leads to efficiency, and efficiency means more honey, faster. By studying different types of bees, I believe we can gain insight into their work, and those inside increase their productivity. If you'll be doing some research, I'll exchange. Oh, your bee swarm. Wait, what? Wait. Oh yeah. Dude, collect white pollen. What? Where's the strawberry? What? Bruh, there's too much. Look at these. Okay, we discovered. Okay. Now white pollen. What that? What that? What that? Oh, I think it's a bee. Yeah. So, Anyways, use code WINK in the promo codes. Yeah. On settings, we can see. Ooh. We can grind it. Look at me. Look at me. Okay, what? Another one. 2000. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 2000. Wow. Call it Pauline for Strawberry Field. Bruh. Yoinka. It's gonna be boring. Please. Please subscribe to my channel and go check out my TikTok on I think in the link in the description. My name is Tom Liam, I think. So go visit me there. And just follow me. Oh, yep. Oh, we're almost there. Strawberry. Where's the strawberry field? Ooh. You hiding, huh? You hiding. Let's check. 25%. I don't know what that sounds like. Yup. Boom, boom. We're almost there. Reached. 3, 2, 1. Let's reach it. And yeah, let's go to the strawberry thing. Do I even own that? Bruh. Boom, boom. Oh, yes. Thank you, bees. We love bees so much. Okay. Boom. Collect. What is a strawberry? Where's the strawberry leader? Oh, I'm screaming. Is that a strawberry land? Oh! Thank you, bees. Happy Megan. Oh, this is strawberry land. Yeet. 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 Strawberry land. Strawberry land. Let's go, bees. Wait, what? What's only there? Oh. Let's go. Oh, shit. Yeet. Oh. Size. Holy moly. Bruh. I'm in pool. I think. Oh yeah. Check out my TikToks for cringy. Woo. I follow my sis in TikTok. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh. You hear that? That's me. Oh. Bus. Oh no. Oh no. Yo. Check out my favorite friends. Almutero JM, Almutero Mike. Whew. Read that. Almost there? Boom. Completed. Disco. Italy. Oh, wait. Poland. Poland. Yeah, yoink. Oh, jelly. But I cannot reach it. I almost. And this is boring. I think there's boom. Oh. Yoink. Yoink. Wait, what? Did I reset it? Did I reset it? Yeah. Ignore. 10,000. Wow. This really boring. And checks me out. And we are complete. Oh, not there. Bruh. Just collect. Yep. The freaking royal jelly. You know jelly? The subscriber? No. The channel. That's channel. Boy! Now it's complete. Fascinating. So there are at least 5 types of bees. Work, behave a bit. Pot now? Thinking. Haha. There we go. Haha. Come here. What? That brings. Report back to me when you're ready to research. Holy! Whoa. What's this? Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Oh no. Oof, 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 oof. Bah. Whoa. Yeah. Yay. Ooh, there's channel idle beetle. Oh, 100. Huh. I wouldn't chop. 29 surrounding buses. Wow. 400 honey. 500 honey. Why did even talk like that? Oh, what the heck? What's this? Ooh. What this? What this? What? What? 200 honey. Me, ooh, it's getting metal. Let's go to the book. Yeet. Kidding me? Another one. Another one. Oh. Oh no. Ah. Come on, let's defeat it. Yay. Oh. Defeat it, defeat it. Yay. Let's go. Yeah, yeet. Nope. Nope. Where's mine? This one. Top make money. Stop make money. Oh. Right out. Need. 16. Oh, wow. Great. Ouch. Now. Can we afford this? Think. How? I thought. So. Equip. What? What? Ooh. Did they? Wait, what? Why do I die? Why I die? Oh, I found it. Yee! What? Helmet. What it do? Helmet. A harder hat that grants bonus pollen and helps prevent head injuries. Hat. The finish. Wow. Yay. Oh wait. Nighttime. Daytime. Oh. I need to beat these levels. Yoink. 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 You died. Your beast. You're going to die. Where's the beast? Oh, hello. Bruh, recovering. Right now, pollen. Yeet, scurry, break, yeet, yoink, 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 yoink. Bruh. Need this. Is I giving pets? Pa. Pa. Wow. You, I need. I'm on. Bruh. Oof. Why are they sad? Okay. Why they sad? Why they sad? Oof. Usually, oh. Oh man. Yeet. Oh man. I'm gonna get that. Yes. Yeet. Yeet. Oh. Yeet. Yeet. Oh. Yank. Swoosh. I need royal jelly. Right now. I need that royal jelly right now. Kia! Oh. Beast. Yes, thank you, Beast. Hit me. No. Ah. Yoink. Oh shoot. Thank you, Baze. What does this mean? Is my... I'll do one more. One more. I can now get that, but I cannot get that. How do I... How? How I get that? How do I literally... Come on! I need to be taller. I'm shorter. Oh, How do I get that? I didn't even jump. There's an entrance. Whoa. Is that a royal jelly? Yeet! Man. Darn it. Flowers. Yeet. 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 Come on. Yeet. This jelly. Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? How do I have to go right there? I literally spent that hour. Now it's gone. Please help me. How do I? Wait. I need to get taller. Donna. Yeah. Okay. Need get taller. Body style. Taller. Wow. What? Wow. Taller? Bigger. Bigger. Yes. I am bigger now. Oh. Where's it? Where's my... Oh, this is... Bee swarm. Need... What? Why? Do I break it? Hunch bees commit pollen and make money. Bee swarm simulator. Wait, sim. Wow. Okay. Loading. Boom. And now taller. Bruh. Why I'm not taller? I'm literally 5 foot. I think I need a parachute or something. Can you please help me, guys? What? Literally, what? How do I get on to the stadium? Bee swarm, please fix this. I really need that. Please. Yes. Are you kidding me? I wanted that. Bee swarm, are you kidding me? How? Is this a freaking glitch? What the freak? I really need it. Never mind. Chunky Bear, I'm Black Bear. Early promise new honey maker. I happen to be a honey connoisseur. That's code. Type this. Type this. I know this is. Type this. Connoisseur. Type that. It will. It will. Just screenshot it. Did you see that? Yep, that's code. A little bit of money. If you're willing to go through my training, you will be making tons of money in no time. First, collect 100 pollen and sunflower field. What? Was kidding me? Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. It's easy peasy. Are you dumb? Bruh. Nice job, here's a reward. Come take me again when you're ready to order the request. Tattoo. The pollen from research field is good. Most people can tell the difference. I can. That's why I love they're here. There's such a variety of flower patches. Each field is different: sunflowers, mushroom, clover. But today I got what hankering for dandelion flavored honey. Why do you call it some pollen for handling field? Bruh. Look at this. Oh. Dandelion. Where's the dandelion? Is this the dandelion? Yep. No time. This easy. Never taken this. Too easy. Those dandelions have grown out. Let's skip it. Aren't bees amazing? They collect pollen. First click. That's so easy. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Nice job. Red pollen. There's so much. I think this is red pollen. Yeah. Easy peat. These nuts. Okay, let's go. Oh. I think there's some. Yeah. I said. How do I fix that? Where's that? Blue pollen. Where's that? Oh, strawberry field. Strawberry. There we go. Let's screenshot. Easy. How? Where to get that? That's a many. Where to get that thing? Where can I afford it? Yuppie. Let's go. How do I get that? My job, this is my real. Bruh. Pandere. Let's go to Pandere. Completed the task from Fortnite. Just kidding, in Among Us. Yoink, 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 yoink. Bruh. Defeat 5 spiders? How? Is this it? Oh, yep. This is it. Ha, noob. Yo, oh. One down. I'm making part 2 right now, so bye.